Be a role model to youngers. Young children look up to their elders because they want to act and be like adults as well. You can model appropriate behavior through your actions and words. Younger relatives are easily influenced. You may help children develop stronger, happier, and kinder by exhibiting strength, maturity, and dependability. Show kids how to give to others by listening to their concerns and lending a compassionate ear. Be enthusiastic about what you enjoy doing so that others are inspired to achieve great things. Showing maturity, work on your self-confidence. Try approaching your daily duties with confidence and optimism. Work hard to achieve your objectives. Your younger relative probably already looks up to you. You may help to be a good role model by putting your best foot forward in your daily life. Keep your word. Being dependable as an adult is one of the most important lessons you can teach a child. Many young children may not have dependable parents or other relatives. Adults may make one commitment and then break it. They might not arrive on schedule or at all. Make plans to spend time with your kids and show up when you say you will. Instill core values. You serve as an example of wisdom and inspiration. You assist people in comprehending what is important in life. While many kids have celebrities as role models, such as famous actors, singers, or sports, they also need role models from everyday life who can teach them about morality and ethics. Discuss with them the characteristics that make the role models you adore so exceptional. Give your younger family members instances of persons who have had a positive influence. Cite instances of locals as examples. Occasionally, historical figures can offer a useful viewpoint. Show children what honesty, respect, and responsibility look like. Keep this in mind while you go about your regular activities. If you're going shopping with your younger relatives, consider how you may serve as an example of respectful behavior by talking with other customers and making responsible purchases. Treat mistakes as an opportunity for growth. Encourage your younger family members to view mistakes as a chance to grow as a person. Tell them about past mistakes you've made and what you've learned from them. Your relative will learn that it's okay to make mistakes in life by observing how you've improved since the event. Use your past failings as life lessons for younger relatives. For illustration, suppose you missed courses in high school to hang out with buddies and got in trouble for it. Tell them what will happen as a result of your actions. Maybe the school administration disciplined you? Or did not do well in that semester? Tell them what happened, how you handled it, and what you learned. Consider how you would respond if your younger relatives were around when you are arguing with your family. When speaking with your family, maintain composure and concentrate on being mature in your viewpoints. Share your blunders and those of others with your young relatives. Inquire of them how they might have handled the circumstance on their own.
Being selfless, accept others. Consider your family's similarities rather than their disparities. There might be methods to link them in a caring and accepting way even if your lifestyles or upbringing are unlike. Instead of assuming the worst, give others the benefit of the doubt. Suppose some of your relatives are avid gamers or TV show watchers. It's possible that you have different preferences. Be open to trying these novel activities that they like. Let them educate you about some topics they find interesting. Asking them questions like, "You obviously enjoy playing this video game. Tell me about some of your favorite characters. What kind of abilities do they possess?" Refrain from criticizing certain activities merely because they are geared toward children. Show commitment to your community. Consider taking your younger relatives somewhere other than merely stores or playgrounds if you have some one-on-one time with them or if you're babysitting them. Show them what you do if you are involved in your local community through a small business, local government, or the arts. With younger relatives, learn about the local history. In your town, there may be historical factories, shops, parks, or museums that depict how life was in the past. Encourage children to value their community's heritage. Teach kids to respect and value others in their neighborhood.